Welcome to the Stable AI community. Learn how to unlock the hidden insights in complex tables. I'm Ben Stein, CEO of Stable AI. Let's see how to set up intelligent tables step by step. In the enterprise world, most data extraction systems can only handle neatly formatted rows and columns. But what about irregular, hierarchical, multilingual, or merged tables with dense line items? You still end up entering that data manually. To solve this, we launched Intelligent Tables. It handles any type of table in any document across any industry, from POs in retail to hospital bills and insurance to machine parts inventories and manufacturing. Let's see how it is done. It's a three-step process. We create models, map them to a queue, and scan documents to create a model. Navigate to the Models module here. Click on the new model and give it a name. Under Preferences, choose Complex Tables and click on Submit. Now let us upload a file and create a model. The document is uploaded. Let us first create a header field. Now let us capture complex tables in this document. We're going to capture this merged table. To do that, I'll first need to create a new table group. This can be a type of table, so this can be one table group, and these three another set of tables, so these can be the other table groups. When I click on this plus icon, we'll get a table here. Let us resize it accordingly. Click on Process. Now, there are three headers we require for this. I'm creating those headers. Clicking on New Header here, headers are designed to collect diverse, potentially non-tabular information such as detailed product descriptions, multi-part notes, or linked datasets. By defining a header, you instruct the system to take this complex input and automatically organize it into a consistent, readable, and structured column within your table. Once you have created the headers, the tool will smart fill all the details. Click this. The tool has captured the details. Also, the different colors in the extracted table help identify the values in the document. Let's check. Tractor has been captured, so has the model name and the serial number. So this is how we set up the model. Once you are done, click on this to save changes. In case you want to create another type, we'll have to click on Add New Table Group and then create another type for these three tables. Clicking on Complete to save the model. Now that the model is ready, let us go map the model to the queue and then start scanning the documents. We have created a new model, so choosing that model, merge tables. I'm adding the queue under a new group and submitting now. Queue is ready. Let's upload the file. The document is uploaded. Let's go and scan it. So here we have complex tables, and here you can see the table type as merged table of collateral. Here is our merge table. This is how we capture complex tables. Now that we have completed scanning, it can be imported into the desired ERP. Likewise, Staple can handle nested and hierarchical dense line item and multilingual tables.